and fun.
Okay, that music just let me know that things are going to get. So her produce says that brain teasers have been used to test the intelligence of people for centuries. We never need a brain teaser for that, you know. I think it's pretty clear where our intelligence levels are.
We're bright.
Anyway, but if that is the case, we are about to find out if Nefred is as smart as he says after all.
Hold on, not do right, so by the way, I should just make up that. But just go, and she see the first one.
I didn't see it, Nev. By the time I got to the monitor, it was gone.
Yes, look at her face. You can't tell so she lie, you know. She see the first one. All right, go.
I don't lie, ever.
Go. What's her face? There are three houses. One is red, one is blue, and one is white. If the red house is to the left of the house in the middle, and the blue house is to the right of the house in the middle, where is the white house?
Washington.
No, because you see the answer already.
No, this one was easy. The White House is in Washington.
Yeah, but you saw the answer.
I might have seen the answer.
Hold on, you might have seen the answer. Wait now. Are you suggesting that the only White House in the world in Washington?
And
because they have a White House close to where I live.
Also,
as a matter of fact, my house white.
That's a brilliant point.
Yeah.
But if it were actually the White House as in the pronoun, it should have been a capital W and a capital H. So don't play that intelligence. You know what
we
I'm
know
talking about.
These things.
That one is just a regular White House.
And I don't know why we're going all the way to Washington when my house right downtown is white.
This is true. Right where?
So,
where house is?
Downtown.
This is a liar.
You're
in a cabin.
And it's pitch black.
And it is pitch black.
You have one match on you. Which do you light first? The newspaper, the lamp, the candle, or the fire? You're in a cabin. You have one. Which do you light first?
You're in a cabin and it's pitch black. Why are you lighting any?
You just turn on the
cabin
light.
is black. Yeah. I mean.
You have one match. Which do you light first? The newspaper, the lamp, the candle, or the light? You don't light none of them. Just turn on the light.
That's what I'm thinking.
So, you light the match first.
Why?
Why you light the match
first?
Why you
light the match?
You strike a match. How you light the match?
Please tell us why.
Again.
Is she telling you why?
Them say you have to light the match first before you can light anything else. But you strike a match.
You strike the match to light something?
Yeah.
You don't light the matches?
Why this one I really will tease the
brain? You can strike a match to light another matches, but...
All right.
You see, we're outwitting them.
Who is bigger, Mr. Bigger, Mrs. Bigger, or their baby? Who is bigger? The whole of them is bigger.
All of them are big because the baby's last name is also bigger.
The whole
so
of them
it's
bigger,
and bigger.
The answer say a baby because she is a little bigger. We love that one. Hold on. We were not wrong.
I think our answer was right.
No, but we didn't wrong because we said the whole of them bigger.
Because even if his first name is little, his last name is still
Sheffield
bigger.
Still trying to figure out what they mean by that. So Sheffield, what that?
He's a little bigger than the biggers.
Sheffield
We're going to give up on Chef with that one.
Sheffield still not getting.
How far can a rabbit run into the woods? How far can a rabbit run into...
All right, stay out time. Chad, stay out time. Right, Chad, I talked to you the other day. No, I'm going to do you something if you don't stay out of it. Stay out of it. How far can a rabbit run into the woods?
As far as he wants to. He hops.
Yeah.
He hops, he can hop.
Oh. After that, he's running out of the woods. Why see me no sound so bright?
Goodness, talk to me about this now.
This don't make no sense. Before Mount Everest was discovered, what was the highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. It was never discovered.
Exactly. Okay, so if you say on record, then that's different from in the world. because it still existed. Good job.
One rabbit saw 6 elephants while going to the river. Every elephant saw 2 monkeys going towards the river. Every monkey holds one part in their hands. How many animals are going to the river? One rabbit saw 6 elephants while going to the river. Just one, just the rabbit. I'm not the only one that go to the river and just see everybody else.
Right, okay.
Just the rabbit.
That is not right.
It never says so. It said one rabbit saw 6 elephants while going
to the river. So he passed those along
and it
the
says
way.
every
but it never
elephant
says they were
saw
going
2.
with him.
Oh, no, hold on. Every elephant saw 2 monkeys going towards the river.
Okay.
So that's 2 monkeys.
Each monkey
Every
holds
monkey.
one parrot. What says addition then? 5.
Yeah.
One rabbit, 2 monkeys, 2 parrots.
Well, I think we've
One
just proved that we are
rabbit.
2 of the brightest people there
One
ever was
rabbit.
in life.
I was still adding though. Is that right?
Serious?
I wonder if those questions are going to come on PEP.
Do you know?
Kids, did you pay attention to those questions?
Wait, no? Do you know that?
No, I don't know.
Well, I'm going to tell you something
don't
that's
want
true.
to know.
I was awarded the Gladstone Wilson Award from St. George's College. Gladstone Wilson, he was consultant to about 4 popes themselves. They say when he died, he was the 7th brightest man in the world. True story. So if them give me that award, me not the 8th brightest man in the whole world.
It's either that or the people who gave it to you were not so bright in the first place.
No,
Depends on
Sephine,
how you look
that
at
no
it.
work out. No, that no work out. If them say the man was the 7th brightest man and them give me the award, I am
May I ask
number
a
8.
question?
Yeah.
Is he still alive?
No.
Was he alive at the time that you got the award?
No.
Okay, well, there you go. He didn't choose you.
It's bad
He's
man.
still the smartest
Bad
man in the world.
Bad man.
Yeah, if he did choose you, then maybe, but he had no say in it. So
You get any award at all?
several,
Bright,
including
bright
some for
award.
tracks.
No, no, not that bright award.
Several
Oh.
scholarships while at UA. Several.
Show me one of them.
Them at the yard. I'm going to show you them now. I don't understand this gentleman.
Who's so come? The professor
No.
the pan.
Are you trying to punch holes in my story of my brother?